Hey divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Sunday reset. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the laundry. Now, this is my weekly laundry routine, but I wouldn't say this is a week worth of laundry. It is like over a week, almost 2 weeks. But because my daughter is not in school, I didn't feel like doing the laundry, so I just left it until now. But I'm getting it done now before the new year. I'm gonna ensure I ring in the new year with no dirty laundry. So I'm just gonna go ahead, start with my mattress covers. Those are white, so I just went ahead, put them in, and then while that is going on, I'm gonna go ahead and sort through the clothes. So with my laundry, we are a family of four, so it's gonna be my two daughters, my husband, along with myself. So I'm going to go ahead, sort my daughter's clothes in lights and darks, and I'm going to do all the whites together. And then for my husband, I'm going to do the same, lights and dark. Now this is me. I went ahead, sorted through the clothes, and I'm showing you the darks for my daughters, the lights, those are the whites, lights for me and my husband, and the darks. And the sheets and the bathroom stuff, those are separate. I'm going to do those separate, so they are in their own little separate place. This is my first laundry down, and what I love to do whenever I'm doing my laundry, I like to go ahead, wash, fold, and repeat. So instead of just sitting around on the couch and piling up all those clothes, I like to go ahead and fold them as soon as I get them out the dryer. Now this laundry, it was done over the period of 2 days because, as I said, I wanted to get it done. So I was between doing the laundry, I was running errands and stuff like that, so I had to do it over the course of 2 days. So I want you guys to just sit back, relax, get some, or even get some motivation, get up, do your laundry, clean the house, do the dishes, just find something to do. And because this is going to be very repetitive, I'm just gonna let you guys just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now, this is a key thing to do whenever you're doing the laundry. You should ensure that your lint trap is clear because that's how you can cause house fires. And trust me, you don't want that. As I said, I like to go ahead and fold after each drying cycle, but this is actually two loads together because I was out running errands, so I just went ahead, took them out the dryer and start the next load. So as soon as I get back, I was able to go ahead and start folding. And as you can see, this is my little helper. This is my youngest. She loves helping me with the laundry, so she's gonna go ahead and help me fold, and trust me, she does a really good job. here you go, guys. You've made it this far. It is the end of the video. Please go ahead, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss another upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.